This is our toilet brush. It's slim for easy placement next to the toilet and very accessible for quick use. This special magnetic collar on the housing allows you to pick up the brush and housing together with just one hand, so there are no messy trips. The stainless steel rod is very strong and durable, and the brush has a specially designed crescent shape to reach hard-to-clean areas around the rim. It detaches easily when it's time for a replacement. The toilet brush comes in black and white. Very efficient.
Introducing the Invisibrush, a special toilet brush designed to hide behind your toilet. This keeps your bathroom floor clear and allows the brush to dry more effectively, reducing mold and preventing an unsightly bathroom. Installation is simple. After you've aligned the holes to the clasps, slightly bend the backplate to allow connection. After you have adjusted the height, remove your toilet's water tank lid and set the Invisibrush on the back. You'll know you've installed it correctly if the brush hangs a few inches below the water tank and can still rotate properly. Now, all you need to do is rotate the brush holder to reveal your Invisibrush. Our patented brush design makes cleaning your toilet easier than ever, while the holster keeps your brush accessible yet invisible. The Invisibrush, keeping your bathroom cleaner and more convenient, only from Squatty Potty.